daily Nuer to English vocabulary lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about these basic phrases that we are seeing here. Number one is, are you at home? Are you at home? The meaning of are you at home is Jin Tichang. Jin Tichang, are you at home? Jin Tichang. Jin Tichang, are you at home? Jin Tichang. Jin Tichang. The other one is, are you going to school? Are you going to school? Jin we dul gora. Jin we dul gora. Are you going to school? Jin we dul gora. Jin we dul gora. Jin we dul gora. Are you happy? The meaning of are you happy is Jin Tesloidu. Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. The meaning of are you at home is Jin Tichang. Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Mularjano, are you at home? Take Keniji mi Tichang. Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Merora Gwasame, are you going to school? Are you going to school? Jin Yudwel Gora. Are you going to school? Jin Yudwel Gora. Mendiodian Tejbo, are you happy? Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. De Lari nono. Me I teach you, are you happy? De Laran Odi. Jin Tesloidu. Me I teach you, are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Muro de Kabaka Gwasame. Mujokame. Chelara, are you at home? Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Take energy. Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Pingwasame Chelaro Nene. Are you going to school? Are you going to school? Take energy. Jin Yudwel Gora. Jin Yudwel Gora. Are you going to school? Jin Yudwel Gora. Are you going to school? Jin Yudwel Gora. Are you going to school? Jin Yudwel Gora. Medadia na je yodo pingwas me take energy. Are you happy? Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. Please follow for more. Are you happy? Jin Tesloidu. We are going to practice this Nuer English, daily Nuer to English vocabulary lesson. Number one is afraid. The meaning of afraid is dwelle. Afraid, dwelle. That's the meaning. When you want to say that I'm afraid, you can say dwelle in Nuer language. The meaning of airport. Airport. Tiar Rednyali. The meaning of airport is Tiar Rednyali. Tiar Rednyali. That's the meaning of airport. The meaning of amen is enono. Amen mean enono in Nuer language. The meaning of amen enono. Enono in Nuer language. The meaning of religion. Religion is dwelkot. Dwelkot. Religion dwelkot ke gwadan pal raten. Religion mean dwelkot. 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 The meaning of angry. Angry mean gak. Angry gak. Which rancha gak. Gak, that's the meaning. Gak. Gak. The meaning of are you at home? Are you at home? Mean Jin Tichang. Jin Tichang. Are you at home? Jin Tichang. Jin Tichang. The meaning of are you going to school? Are you going to school? Are you going to school? Mean Jin widul gora. Jin widul gora. Are you going to school? Jin widul gora. The meaning of afraid is dual. Afraid dual. They learn no afraid ludeni dual. Afraid mean dual. Dual. Kide learn no dual. Afraid dual. I am afraid dual. The meaning of airport. Airport is tiar renali. Airport lu gwada dan en la renal la ken nyurtin. Airport. Airport tiar renali ke gwada dan la renal ken nyurtin. The meaning of amen. Amen lu ni inono milare jeno inono. Amen. Inono. The meaning of religion. Dulkot ke gwabedana palitin ke gwabedana pal rantin. Shale religion. Geji gonna what is your religion? Loko the palitin. Loko the dien. Cheka dulkot and pal rantin. Religion. The meaning of angry. Angry malulu na gak. Gak. Angry gak. The meaning of are you at home? Are you at home? Is Jin teaching. The meaning of are you at home? Jin teaching. Jin teaching. The meaning of are you going to school? Jin widul gora. Are you going to school? Jin widul gora. The meaning of are you going to school? Jin widul gora. Please follow for more. Welcome to Easy Nuer English. In today's topic, we are going to learn about these basic phrases. We are going to translate them together. We will start by the first one, which is I saw a dog. I saw a dog. What does it mean in Nuer language? Enguludamo I saw a dog. Mishi larno. Li lardi en sha juk nen. I saw a dog muludo gwasame lunodi en chajuk nen. En chajuk nen. I saw a dog en chajuk nen. Luno shi nen chawe en chajuk nen. Reudo gwasame manyama I saw a dog en chajuk nen. Reude she ate an orange. She ate an orange. Anguludamo. Jen she meat ke orange. Jen shamit ke orange. De kon lare nono. Jen shamit ke orange. She ate an orange. Jen shamit ke orange. Muko kona translate. Kie nang kone katuk and dong de kone ngaikeja. The boy is here. Number 3. The boy is here. And Dol te gome. De ko lar no. Gome. Dol te gome. Ala boy a kel. Boy lurin ram kel shikaro. Misha mo ke as der kula dol. Do no gwa lar no the boy is here. Dol te gome. Ki dol ja gwas me ki ja weneme. De ko lar no. Misha the boy is here. Lor no de dol te gome. La te kunento ton ki te kudu. De larono dol te gome ki dol ja gome. Dol ja gome. Chane min gene ke ja. The boys is here. Dol ja gome. Ajin laram dol ja gome. Mera din jene. My name is Chankot. My name is Chankot. Deri larde mi chaji teje nono. What does it mean? My name is Chankot. And shall should the Chankot. And shall should the Chankot. My name is Chankot. And shall should the Chankot. Deri larno. My name is Chankot and shall should the Chankot. Read the DNM. This one, this phrase. I want to learn English. I want to learn English. And Gura. O. B. English. Ngach. And guru be English ngach. I want to learn English. And guru be English ngach. Dere lar no. Mugur jeno be English. Be ngach. Kadua badana dong. Dere ngai keje. And guru be English ngach. Men dien guatman bananyoko men kona balana me. She is my sister. She is my sister. Malure jenene. Jen. Enye. Mar. Jen enye mar. She is my sister. Milara jen lara nodi. Jen enye mar. Kadua badana dong do dere ngai keje. Jen enye mar. Mukuje translate. Mishu she is my sister. Lurno jen enye mar. Meridian we are going to church. We are going to church. Nemene. We are going to church malode. Kon wene luak kot. Kon wene luak kot. We are going to church. Kon wene luak kot. Kon wene luak kot. Kon wene luak kot malode. We are going to church. They live in Bentiu. They live in Bentiu. Molot ke janana. Siangken ka Bentiu. Siangken ka Bentiu. They live in Bentiu. Siangken ka Bentiu. Wasame banyot kon. Dua badan dong deran. Dar nama dar janen kejan. Yeah. Okay. They live in Bentiu Lunodi, Siankan ka Bentiu. Titine ke basic phrase ke dobrine te dera ande rodo goro dera kangach. And a bega kwen kalkale ka dob guadera na ngaikeja. I saw a dog. And che jognen. She ate an orange. Jen che meet ke orange. The boy is here, dolja guame. My name is Chankot, and shall show the Chankot. I want to learn English and go over English ngach. Guada metem bukone gerten, ko take a mystic, misha meten. Name, belangu and go over. Da ha. And go over English ngach. Good. She is my sister. Jene nyimar. We are going to church. Konwone luakot. They live in Bentiu. Sienken ka Bentiu. These are the basic English and Nuer language words that you can learn today. Guru jin brodo kabdor ko gwa ke kwilis ngamanda ndera nangach. Eno ko guru ki ka ngedu ka talk English. Tangod ne wanji kana guru no de kan talk de kan ngach. That is why kwa channel mo ko create ke ko brand brodo kabdor changla jigen mo tot bi nen bi ngach. So guru no jin bi channel bi support bi guru bi jagule ni siang ko ba daily lesson ba kalat katen atu ka vocabulary ne la riet awe ka phrases la dobrine ti dial ba ka nun ka gwata me ka ta dana brand ba tok ba jang keje ki dir tok du dir jaga jagwa ko make sure jin bi nyane ko ken ko michete ka micha nun rai gwata bi chama la shuwe ke jelong ka pet ka jin ba lam no jale de lo your favorite ko yo michi mishi guru no loji jog bi chwa malu ya jeki kapet ana me da la jen ngi dana guru de yana nan ko dun kel is in Nuer English guru jeno de ne tin wande ka tok de kana ngach de tok no de re ngach ke de tok English ba de re ngai ko jen do badan an wona nyam ke je an guru bi channel bi support bana jek ke ngi da dien bi atamal. Today we are going to learn about these vocabulary meaning in both English and Thok Nath. The meaning of mountain. Mountain means Pam. Pam. The meaning of mountain is Pam. Pam. The meaning of ballet. Ballet. Ballet is mat. Mat. Man mit a kam. A pamni. Mat mit kam pamni is valley. The meaning of rock. Rock. Rock is Pam. Pam. The meaning of rock is Pam. The meaning of sand. Sand is lit. Liet. The meaning of sun is liet. Sun is liet. The meaning of car is turbil. Turbil. The meaning of truck is turbil medit. Turbil medit. Turbil indeed. The meaning of truck. The meaning of bike is angele. Bike. Angele. The meaning of train is gutter. The meaning of train is gutter. The meaning of airplane is rainial. The meaning of airplane is rainial. The meaning of boat is rayir. Chirka kanun. Boat jen akula gar kaneja. Ke jat kanun jen la gar neja kalau. Chan jen nyok. They repeat it one more time. The meaning of mountain malur ne pam. The meaning of mountain lo ne pam. La pam tidit chalka mountain. Valley lo ne mat mete kam pam ne. Mat modere kam pam ne. De chole valley. Rock wadu mi lo ne pam. Rock a pam. Sen lo ne liet. Liet chole sun. Car lo ne turbil. Truck turbil, but turbil medit. Chole truck turbil kula turbil indeed. A bike hanjale. Bike hanjale. Train gutter lo ne gutter. Airplane lo ne rainial. Boat lo ne rayir. Boat lo ne rayir. Go no jin bi channel bi support and be atakamal ban je video in. Today we are going to learn about these phrases. We will learn about the meaning, how to translate them into Nuer language. The first one is my name is Gadwich. My name is Gadwich mean an should the Gadwich. And should the Gadwich. Okay, you can just say like that. And should the Gadwich. And should the Gadwich. And should the Gadwich. My name is Gadwich. The second one is what is your name? What is your name? What is your name is Jin should do the. Jin should do the. What is your name? What is your name mean Jin should do the in Nuer language. Jin should do the. His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat mean Jen Shwale Tarjat. Jen Shwale Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen Shwale Tarjat. My parents sold their house. My parents sold their house. The meaning of my parents sold their house is we can put it this way. Dieska chika dorienqua. Dieska chika dorienqua. Or you can say Dieska shika shendienqua. My parents sold their house. Dieska shika dorienqua. The boys' clothes are dirty. The boy clothes are dirty. The meaning of this is that you are saying Bieni Dolly Shikalot. Bieni Dolly Shikalot. The boy clothes are dirty. Bieni Dolly Shikalot. The boy clothes are dirty. Bieni Dolly Shikalos. The other one is my friend names are Dol and Kun. My friend names are Dol and Kun. The meaning of this My friend names are Dol and Kun. Is that you can translate it this way. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. My friends' names are Dol and Kun. Masnika shall shoot Kene Dol Kene Kun. You can use this. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. My friend names are Dol and Kun. The last one is Nyalwak. She's my best friend. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. Meaning, Nye Luak Jen Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak Jen Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak, she is my best friend. Nyalwak Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak is my best friend. Nyalwak Mazda Migwa. Ashana min within benyo kel guasame ko bukon kula tengen murong ko do dan dong de kona ngai keja. Menyam guasame. My name is Gadwich. My name is Gadwich mean and shall shoulda Gadwich. My name is Gadwich and shall Gadwich. Or and shall shoulda Gadwich. Here we made a mistake. This one has to be O. Should the Gadwich and shall shoulda Gadwich. My name is Gadwich and shall shoulda Gadwich. What is your name? What is your name? Jin shall shodudi. Jin shall shodudi. What is your name? His name is Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen shall Tarjat. His name is Tarjat. Jen shall Tarjat. My parents sold their house. My parents sold their house. Dietka shikadoren kwa. Dietka shikadoren kwa. The boys' clothes are dirty. The boys' clothes are dirty. Beni doli shikalot. Beni doli shikalot. Beni doli shikalot. The boy clothes are dirty. My friend names are Dol and Kun. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. Masnika Edol Kene Kun. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. Nyalwak jena Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak jena Mazda Migwa. Nyalwak, she's my best friend. So please do you go this channel your support could be titi become chamala shukaya ka Facebook page can a YouTube channel. Thank you for learning. Bye bye. Today's lesson is more about how to communicate in Nuer language and in English. So we are going to learn about these basic phrases. Let's begin with I am not a student. I am not a student. So when you say I am not a student, it means Shehan Gadwil Gora in Nuer language. Shehan Gadwil Gora. I am not a student. That's the meaning. The meaning of Shehan Gadwil Gora is I am not a student. Second one is I am a teacher. I am a teacher. I am a teacher. The meaning of I am a teacher is a hangich. A hangich. I am a teacher. A hangich. Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Are you a doctor? Ka ajin kim dul gora. Here there's a question mark here. Ki bel teja. Ka ajin kim dul go dul ka sorry ka ajin kim dul wa. Are you a doctor? Ka ajin kim dul wa. Here in response, K. Jin Kim Dulwar, are you a doctor? He is a journalist. He is a journalist, mean Jen Gwan Larry. He is a journalist. Jen Gwan Larry. Jen Gwan Larry. They are artists. They are artists, mean Ken Ketuir. Ken Ketuir. Ken Ketuir. Let's start again here from the top. I am not a student. Shien Gadwil Gora. I'm a teacher. Hengich. Are you a doctor? Kejin Kim Dulwal. Kejin Kim Dulwal. He is a journalist. Jenna Gwanleri. Jenna Gwanleri. They are artists. Ken Couture. Ken Couture. Please follow for more. Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn about these basic phrases in both Thok Nath and English. The meaning of I am 27 years old is, like you can say it, an ta kerun ti jandangro vidbaro. I am 27 years old. We can say that, okay? Anta kerun ti jandangro vidbaro. I am 27 years old. Anta kerun ti jandangro vidbaro. The second one is how old are you? Ti kerundi. Like that's the question. How old are you? You can say Ti kerun dangdi. Okay, you can just do that. Ti kerun dangdi. How old are you? Okay, you can use this one too. Ti kerun dangdi. How old are you? Ti kerun dangdi. She's 15. This one. She's 15 meaning te ke weldich. Okay. She's 15 mean take a weldich. Kede larno take a run weldich. She's 15 take a run weldich. That's how you can translate it. She's 15 take a run weldich. The other one is my mother is 65 years old. You can just say it. Mar take a run ti yen bakal with the dh. My mother is 65 years old, meaning mar take a run ti jandang bakal with the dh. That's how you can translate it. My mother is 65 years old mean mar take a run ti jan bakal with the dh. Mar take a run ti jan bakal with the dh. I am sad. Here you can just say it. And Jack Losh, sorry, let's just go back here. Okay, and Jack Loshda, and Jack Loida mean I'm sad. This one, I'm sad. I'm sad, and Jack Loida, she's excited. She is excited mean. Jen she lost the tate. Jen she lost the tate. She's excited. Tate in a row. Jen she lost the tate mean she is excited. Jen she lost the tate. Jen she lost the tate. Another one is you are angry. You are angry meaning Jin shigag. Jin shigag mean you are angry. Jin shagak. Jin shagak mean you are angry. Jin shagak. We are happy. We are happy. Here it means tet losh da. Tes loida. We are happy. Tes losh da. Or you can just say kon tes loida. We are happy. Kon tes loida. Kon tes loida. I will repeat the same thing again so that you can good understanding here. The first one is here. Hold on. Okay. I am 27 years old mean anta karun ti jandang with baro. How old are you mean ti karun dangdi. She is te karun waldi. She is 15 te karun waldi. My mother is 65 years old. Mar te karun jan bakalu dij. I'm sad. And Jack Loida. She's excited. Jen Loida Ted. You are hungry. Jin Chagak. We are happy. Con Tes Loida. Con Tes Loida. Please follow for more.